Hey guys, it's Amira and today we will be doing a DIY galaxy jar. Okay, so you will need a jar, some water, glitter, paints, chopsticks, or a chopstick or whatever, and cotton. Okay, so first, you will add a third of water to the cup. Oh no, oh no, oh gosh. I can't see anything. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, then you will or not really rip up, you will expand the cotton. Or you will add a few drops of paint. Oh gosh. I think that's enough. And then you will just shake it up. I hope I put enough paint and water. Then you will shake it up. And it should look like this, with any color that you choose first. Okay, next you are going to expand the cotton, not rip it up, like this. Okay, then you will use the chopstick or pencil and put the cotton down there. And then you get some more cotton, you put it in here, get some more cotton, and just kind of like fill the whole thing. And then you use the chopstick or pencil or whatever you used to make, like, push down the cotton. Gonna need some more of this, some more of this. Okay, I think that's good. Yep, definitely good. Okay, then we will add some glitter. We're gonna use this glitter. And then you will put some glitter in. And that's way too much, but that's okay. And then you will repeat the steps all over again. So let's do this. Okay. I think I need a bit more. Wow, this is just nice. Okay, now we will repeat the steps over again. Wait a second. Okay, I'm gonna use this color next. Okay. And then I will shake this up. Then I will add this. Some more cotton to the jar. You just repeat the steps until you reach the top. Now I will add some glitter. Beautiful, beautiful gold glitter. Yep, that's good enough. Okay, and then I will add some more water. Okay. Then I will add this very last color. Or maybe the last color, I don't exactly know. And now Ow. Now I will put some more cotton. I don't think we need that much because we're almost to the top. So we'll just... And now... Okay. Gonna shake this a bit more. That's it. Oh gosh, what am I doing? Stripping. Okay, here is my magnificent attempt. Hi. Hey guys, it's Amira. And today I am going to do a DIY galaxy jar. Hey guys, it's Amira and today